Australian Gas Networks, part of the Australian Gas Infrastructure Group, delivers natural gas to over 1.3 million people across 25,000 kilometres of pipeline. But a critical challenge was brewing beneath the Brisbane River. The ageing pipeline was a strategic risk, threatening gas supply for the city of Brisbane, the largest city in Australia by area. So, the 930-metre pipeline and its metering facilities needed to be replaced. APA Group, Australia's leader in gas infrastructure, took on this demanding project. With complex natural conditions, public safety and nearby infrastructure to consider, success was dependent on robust processes, teamwork and meticulous risk management. So they turned to PRINCE2 Project Management. Each phase, from concept, design, build and commissioning, was defined, tracked and measured. Everything from studs and nuts to station upgrades was precisely specified and logged, ensuring regulatory and operational compliance. A project of this magnitude invariably runs into challenges. But with PRINCE2, APA was able to react and respond to arising issues, from broken drill rods and changing contractors to rapid redesigns. To achieve project success, communication was key. Regular board updates, weekly team reports, and monthly stakeholder reviews ensured alignment, and that this engineering feat was commissioned on time and in budget. The Brisbane River Pipeline project highlights the value of PRINCE2 Project Management, where product focus, robust stage gates, and measured quality control aren't just checkboxes. They're the foundation for delivering innovation, safety, and value.